Well, what am I doing today? Well, as you might guess, I normally buy a lot of stuff I don't need. And one of the things I don't need is a welder. And I bought this probably 7 or 8 years ago. This is kind of like being a theme. I mean, the gas generator I only bought like, 10 years ago and never used it. So today I'm going to go ahead and see if I can use this, but it's got a different wrinkle on this one. I'm going to see if the generator can power this welder. I have no idea if it can or not. It may not work at all, I don't know. We're going to find out. It's a cheap Chinese made arc welder that I think I only paid $60 for, and that included shipping. And it's really just a basic arc welder, and it's made to run on either 110 or 220 volts. And well, it's just one of those things. I mean, the instructions pretty much is blank. I mean, it shows nothing on the outside. It has no brand name at all. It just says it's one of the BX1-B series of welders. And I got typical stuff, typical stuff of a welding machine: a cooling fan, the shell, heat sensor, silicon, lamination, hose, core holder, screw bar, handle, the entire thing, coil holder, chassis, screw washer, the whole list, roller, everything. So, and it's really a very, very basic instruction manual. It has very few moving parts on it. Only has a switch on the front to go from 220 or 110. So anyway, let's find out if this stupid thing works. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't even know if it's going to turn on. So we will find out. First, I got to set some stuff up. Let's see. And of course, I'm going to open my garage door, which is going to add to some other problems. But first, let's take a look at the welder. I got it flipped over on its side right there. Uses some pretty hefty rod, I'll tell you that much. That, and there's the control in the front. I mean, very basic control, power lights, torch. This is the switch, off 110 or 220, so we'll have to put that on 110. And basically, I'll set this up to see if I can even weld. I don't even know if it's going to work. I'm going to open the door, and so I'll be right back after I do that and set this thing up. Okay, I'm showing you where the work is I'll be using. And right there. And first, we'll see if we can get this generator started. That would help. I smell gas. it's not going to work off of this. It just does not have the power to run this. So here we are. At least we found out something. We found out it won't run off of the generator. But oh well, we gave it a shot. Okay, just to prove this does work, I gotta hook the regular power now. And I got a 2 amp breaker out here in the garage. I'll see if this works. Well, I think I just popped the breaker, but it works. Yeah. Should have made a big blob, but anyway, there it is. Let's see if we'll turn on the other side. You guys can get a better shot at it here. Really a disadvantage on this side here. Right there. Okay. So, pretty hot, but anyway. So if you hook it to regular power, it'll work. Just as long as I don't keep it down too long, and it'll pop the breaker here in the garage. I have a thing with this garage is I added 2 20 amp breakers in this garage. You only had 115 before. So anyway, there you are. It won't work on the generator, but it'll work off of power. And that's going to be it for here. See you guys later.